3. Hey guys, this is Dano from Hidden Bigfoot Research Labs, and I'm going to show you a pretty cool party trick I know. And I've got my other camera lined up so that we can catch a good view. I'm going to show you it's recording right now. I got both recording so that we can keep feed on both. What you do is you take an empty pack of cigarettes. These just happen to be Marlboro. It has nothing to do with the brand. I take no responsibility in cigarettes, their company, anything. I take no ownership. I mean, I could even black it out. I just didn't take the time to. And now that that's out of the way, the cellophane that comes on them, this works best on a box. Not really a soft pack. You could do it, but it wouldn't be as good. You want to pull it up like this and set it down, and we'll get it nice and square. And now take a cigarette butt. I got one here. You take your cigarette butt, you dump out all your tobacco. See, I pulled the filter out, throw it away. Roll it up. And you see, I'm gonna just light the end of it. And now, on my cellophane, I'm gonna just bump it. You want a real small hole. You see that on this camera? Yeah. See, I just got a nice little small hole. Stick it into the end, or stick the end of it into that hole. And you want it to be a pretty tight fit. You see, now that I got it in there, and you can see it's stuck through. I got it in there. Now you can see that it's stuck through the cellophane. Can you see the waterfall effect from the smoke? You can set that down. See, I'm balancing it on a lighter. Oops. Well, it didn't do as well that time. It burned through. You're not supposed to let it fall in. Okay, now we're going to do 4 at once and see if that gives us any cooler results. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That one didn't light. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And I know smoking's bad, but this is pretty cool. And again, I no way endorse smoking, Marlboro, anything like that, but definitely a cool party trick. And I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the atmospheric pressure inside of the cellophane. But I'm not completely sure why it does this. If anybody knows, feel free to put it in the comments. Oh, it's starting to rip. It's interesting that it, even with the hole in it, it's still made the smoke like a liquid. Oh. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Laters.